Immerse yourself in a world of culinary inspiration and home aesthetics with our meticulously crafted kitchen designs. Our team of talented designers merges functionality and beauty to create kitchens that are more than just spaces to cook. They're expressions of your unique style and personality. From the sleek lines of modern minimalism to the warm embrace of rustic charm, our kitchen designs span a spectrum of styles to cater to every taste. Each design is thoughtfully curated to optimize space, storage, and workflow, ensuring that your kitchen becomes the heart of your home. Our commitment to quality craftsmanship and attention to detail ensures that every element, from the choice of materials to the placement of fixtures, harmonizes seamlessly to bring your dream kitchen to life. Whether you seek a cozy family hub, a gourmet chef's paradise, or an entertainment-centric space, our kitchen designs are tailored to your vision. Experience the perfect blend of form and function, where culinary creativity flourishes, and memories are made. Elevate your home with our exceptional kitchen designs, where every meal becomes a masterpiece.